Alright, so what we have here was an air conditioning outside unit that stopped working. It was because the condenser fan was locked up. It basically was all frozen, rusty, nasty. I lubricated it, actually got it spinning well enough to run for the time it took to get the replacement motor. Did the cross-reference. It's a little unusual to get one that has the bolts coming out the back so that you can put nuts on the mount like that. But I found it, and now we're going to install it. Entire assembly off so I can get to the fan. I'm going to remove the fan blade. I've got the locking bolt loose, but it just doesn't want to come off, which is not unusual. This is probably a 15-year-old unit. So I'm going to spray a little PB blaster on here to help liberate the fan from the shaft and give it a minute to work, and then I'll pry it off. Okay, now I'm just going to cut just for expediency, going to cut the wires. Keep in mind I have disconnected power to this unit. I'm going to reuse this, and now I can flip this thing over and take off the remainder of the nuts that are holding it on. And it should be out. I'm going to place it back in the original holes. Looks like it fits. And then start a couple of the nuts to hold it in place. Luckily, same threading. So it couldn't have worked out better so far. Okay, I've got all the wires routed through the original direction. I've pulled out the original wires. And it's time to put the blade on the new motor. Okay, I've zip tied the reversing plug here to the wire loom going out, just so it doesn't get down into the fan and cause all kinds of havoc. I've just loosely placed this. I'll put a couple bolts in just to hold it in place temporarily, and then I'll start wiring it in. Okay, I have used the new capacitor supplied with the motor in lieu of the second port on this double capacitor here. I've wired black to black, white to yellow, brown to brown, just basically the way it was. Now I have to test to see if I got the right rotation. In this case, I want it to be spinning clockwise, which will pull air through the coils and out. I've plugged in the fuse holder there, and I'm just going to trip the contactor just long enough. Okay, we are running the right direction. It turns, it's quiet. Let's button it up. Okay, life is good. The unit's working. It's pumping out appropriately warm air. It's quiet, it's smooth. The direction and the voltage and the RPM are all correct, so it's a good fix.